The dismantling procedure for modular worm gearbox. Please follow it sequentially. Starts with removing dipstick. Then remove fan cover and fan attached to the shaft. Then remove bearing housing and shims from the front of the case. Then remove worm line subassembly carefully. Remove worm line oil catcher and shims from both sides of the worm gearbox. Then remove bearing outer cover and remove worm shaft subassembly from the case. Now remove bearing housing and shim. Then remove another bearing cover from inside. Remove eye bolts. Remove inspection cover. Remove base. Remove plugs, and this completes the dismantling procedure.